Hello everyone, I want to recommend these two connector housings to you. They are made by KUM, which has been acquired by Aptiv, original and new. For the male connectors, the part number is PK141-12017 or 35297397. For the female connectors, the part number is PK145-12017 or 35297571. They both have 12 holes. If you are interested in it, please contact us. We are especially strong on electronic components distribution. All the components from our company are 100% original and new. We have many parts with large quantity at stock. Welcome to contact us for a quote.